We're going to explain how to exit the Lenovo Diagnostics main screen. There are several ways to do this, depending on which version of the Lenovo Diagnostics you're using and whether you're using a touchscreen or a keyboard. Let's cover the most common methods. 1. The exit or close button. The simplest method is to look for a button labeled exit, close, or a similar term. This button is usually located in a corner of the screen, often in the top right or bottom right. Click this button to return to your operating system. If it's not immediately visible, try looking at the menu bar or any toolbars that might be present. 2. Using the keyboard. If you're using a keyboard, pressing the ESC key, escape key, often works. This key is typically located in the top left corner of your keyboard. Try pressing it once, and if that doesn't work, try pressing it repeatedly. It might take a couple of presses to successfully close the diagnostics utility. 3. The menu option. Some versions of Lenovo Diagnostics have a menu bar at the top of the screen. Look for an option like File, Options, or System. Click on the menu and look for an Exit, Quit, Close, or similar option. Select it to exit the diagnostics. The exact wording might differ slightly based on your Lenovo laptop model and the version of the diagnostic software. 4. Force closing the application, Advanced. If all else fails, you may need to force close the Lenovo Diagnostics application. This is a more drastic step and should only be used as a last resort. You'll typically do this by using the Task Manager on Windows or Activity Monitor on Mac OS. On Windows, press Ctrl+Shift+ESC to open Task Manager. Find the Lenovo Diagnostics process in the list, select it, and click End Task. On a Mac, press Command+Space to open Spotlight, search for Activity Monitor, find the Lenovo Diagnostics process, select it, and click the X button to force quit. Keep in mind that force closing might interrupt any ongoing diagnostics tests. 5. Restarting your computer. The simplest way to fully exit the diagnostics program would be to restart your computer. If you're struggling to exit through other means, this method effectively ends all running programs and returns you to a clean boot. This will obviously erase any incomplete diagnostic test data. Remember to always try the simpler methods first, like looking for an exit button or pressing the escape key, before resorting to force closing or restarting your computer. These methods work across various Lenovo models and different versions of the Lenovo Diagnostics tool. If you are still experiencing problems exiting the Lenovo Diagnostics, check Lenovo's support website for your specific laptop model for more detailed instructions or troubleshooting steps.